Hi, this is Todd with Esoteric. Welcome to the FAQ series. Today's question is, will coating give me the best gloss or looks? We get this one all the time. What is going to make the car look best? Actually, it's not the coating that's going to give you the best look. It is in the polishing process. You're going to make a bigger difference in how the vehicle looks by properly machine polishing the paint first. That's going to bring you the best looks, and then when you apply a coating to it or wax or sealant, that is just the icing on the cake. Can you do a car with coating and no polishing? Absolutely. Is it going to look better? Absolutely. But a lot of people make the common mistake in thinking that all of those looks they're getting is from the coating application. Polishing first is going to bring out the most looks or the best gloss, and you put that coating on top, it's just going to finish it out nicely. You want to learn more on the subject? Tune into the next video.